This is an Operation Christmas Child Shoebox for a girl aged 10 to 14. And it's long, so I'm going to unpack it this way. Let's see what's inside. In here, we have a full-size notebook, a coloring book, and this is not the typical coloring book. It has, you know, more difficult designs and fun stuff in there. A washcloth, bar of soap, neon crayons, index cards for taking notes, pens and pencils, fun sunglasses, a full-size hairbrush, a black horse, a flashlight, and I still need to put the batteries in the box, scissors, a toothbrush, a watercolor paint set, nail clippers, these tangles that I actually found, and this is cool. I actually like to play with this. I mean, if I like to play with this, I think a girl 10 to 14 probably would have fun with this. In this little box, we have a whole bunch of things. We have this, I think they're called Hanua bracelets. We have a whole bunch of hair ties and this fun fashion ring. So that's in this little box. Then we have a jump rope, a yo-yo, 2 headbands. I use these and they're really good. They're nice and tight. 2 pairs of socks, 2 sheets of stickers, a protractor, deodorant, and a fun lip smackers. I know I really loved lip smackers. I had a lot of them when I was that age. And then the cool thing in this is we have a turtle kite, and it folds up nicely, and it has some instructions and the string. So that is everything that is in this box for a girl aged 10 to 14. It is not hard to find stuff to put in these boxes for older kids. You just have to think about it a little bit, but it's not hard. My boxes for the older kids are actually, I think, filled more than for the younger kids. So if you did, give this video a like and subscribe to see more of what I'm packing this year, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!